Jordan Love has got 9 straight regular season games without a turnover. And you know why he's doing that? Because he figured it out.
Where do you put him in your conversation of the greater quarterbacks in this league?
If you put a good defense with him, a good line, solid run game, you can win with him. So I'll ride with him.
You were with Jordan Love for a few years. What are your thoughts on him? Where do you see him going with his career? Because I remember after we played him, he was getting a ton of shit. People are doubting him, and I'm like, this motherfucker is cold.